On this BMW 2 Series, we've installed an i96 connector mobiliser. So a thief clones this key, hops in, goes to steal the vehicle. It will start up. As soon as they go to drive off by selecting a gear, the vehicle's going to switch off. As you can see, the vehicle's switched off. This is great if you're nearby and you've heard the key cloning, you've heard them try and attempt to steal your vehicle. But if you're not around, this system also rings you. So as you can see, if the customer's out one day, their car's at home, they've cloned the spare key and gone to steal the vehicle, they're going to know about it. If the customer wants to drive this normally, what they can do is start the vehicle up, go through a push sequence that they choose. So we've set mode minus for now. Hear a disarm tone, there we go. They can select their gear and drive the vehicle. As you can see, they won't get a phone call if it's them and they've passed authorization, but the vehicle can be driven. To get one of these installed, we're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.